Thank you for joining me today at Catch Them Young, a career pathfinder that introduces the vocational training that has been done in Germany. That's the Ausbildung. This is the 8th career under the first area of specialization, and this is the 3rd area of specialization under the 8th career path. 1 and 2 career paths under career path 8 has been explained in previous videos. Kindly do go back, watch them. The videos are informative and educative. Share with friends and families. For someone who doesn't understand the language yet, they know definitely there are more options of careers they can go into. Today, I'll be discussing the 3rd area of specialization under the 8th career path. That is the SCHWERPUNKT NUTZFAHRZEUGTECHNIK. That's focused on commercial technology, vehicle technology. The duration is 3 years and 5 months. It's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. What do? They install navigation systems in cars, commercial, they work in area of electric mobility. For example, work on design of commercial vehicles with electric or hybrid drives. So what they do also is they work with semi-trailers as well. They test the lighting, they carry out chassis measurement, check the measuring points of attachments and superstructures, check moving equipment such as braking systems, drive units, engine management or driver chassis, the gripping arm or the fire brigade ladders. They use electronic diagnostic equipment as well. They lubricate, replace defective parts, repair damaged hydraulic fields on the body of cars. Where do they find employment? They find employment in manufacturers that supply commercial vehicles. They find employment at freight, forwarding, or bus companies with an attached workshop in repair shops. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do. You need your HOCHVOLTTECHNIK, your Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife. And if you have other certificates that are also in the same equivalence, yes, you can get into this. The chances of you not having the certificate is slim because there's only 2% that is admitted if you don't have a certificate. So if you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. And don't forget, don't give up on your careers because only you can stop you. The 4th area of specialization is SCHWERPUNKT PERSONENKRAFTWAGENTECHNIK. That is focused on passenger car technology. The duration is 3 years and 5 months as well. It's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. Motor vehicle mechatronics technician with a focus on personal and car systems. They help with electronic systems, mechanical, electronic, hydraulic, and pneumatic systems. They test them, analyze, measuring, and diagnostic devices. For example, drive aggregates, computer-controlled driver assistance system. They check driver assistance systems, they repair drive components, they change lubricants, they change brake or hydraulic fluids. They also check and the exhaust gas and measure them, and they can build road traffic regulations that they build to adhere to road traffic regulations, and they test drive as well. They also work in the field of electromobility. Where do they find employment? They find employment at motor vehicle companies, manufacturing companies, and also in repair shops. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you need your Hochschulabschluss, your Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife. And if you have other certificates that are in equivalence with these certificates, you can get into this career path. If you don't have a certificate, you can as well be admitted, but the chances are slim. So if you have your school leaving diploma, your university qualification, other certificates that are higher or equivalent to that, then you can get into this career path. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The 5th area of specialization is a SCHWERPUNKT system on HOCHVOLTTECHNIK. That is focused on system and high voltage technology. The duration is 3 years and 5 months as well. It's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a recognized training occupation. What do? They replace wearing parts and defective components of that is high voltage components in cars. They also install additional equipment such as navigation devices or hand-free systems. They work on designs of cars with electric or hybrid drives. So they test, analyze drive units, damping control, damping level control, and driver assistance system. So where do they find employment? They find employment in manufacturing companies of vehicles, especially those are into hybrid and electric vehicles. So if you want to go into, okay, I want to know how hybrid and electric vehicles are being manufactured, then this is a career you want to look into. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you need your hot shoe shoes, your rear shoe shoes, your folk shoe rifle. And if you have qualifications that are equivalent to that, you can as well go into it. That is your school leaving diploma, your university qualification with these two certificates. You can, or if you have other certificates that are higher or equivalent to it, then you can go into this career path. If you feel free to contact us if you need further information on how to proceed. Don't hesitate and don't give up on your careers.